Hello everyone! Welcome to this amazing tutorial on InvokeAI Colab Notebook. This notebook is based on InvokeAI version 5.2.0. Using this notebook is super easy. Just run each cell, and you're ready to use InvokeAI on Colab's provided GPU. So let's dive into the video. I'll speed it up to save your time. First, make sure you have GPU runtime enabled. If you see this T4, it means your runtime is set to GPU. If you don't see this T4, it means your runtime type is CPU. To change it, click Runtime, then click Change Runtime Type, and click on T4 GPU, then click Save. Next, run this first cell to connect your Google Drive to Colab Notebook. If you don't have enough storage in your Google Drive, you can skip this step and proceed to Step 2 to install InvokeAI in the Colab's provided storage, but please note, once the runtime is disconnected, all your data will be lost. So you should download your important files. Now let's install the InvokeAI repository. You don't have to create a separate folder for InvokeAI in your drive, as it will automatically create the folder and clone the InvokeAI repository in it. Next, this third step is very important. You'll need to install the required dependencies each time you run the notebook. It will take about nearly 15 to 18 minutes to download and install the required packages and dependencies, depending upon your internet speed. For me, it took 16 minutes and 30 seconds to install the packages. Now, let's talk about where the images will be stored in your drive. You can find them in the Outputs folder in the InvokeAI repository folder. Please note, if you didn't mount to the drive but installed InvokeAI in Colab storage, you must download this Outputs folder before closing the notebook. Otherwise, you will lose all your images created in that session. You will need an ngrok token to run the InvokeAI. To get your token, click this link and sign up. As I already created the account, I will simply log in. After login, it will take you to your dashboard, where you can find your ngrok token under your Auth Token tab. You need to create the token by following the instructions. I already created the token, so I will copy it and paste it here. Now run the cell. It can take a few moments to set up things, so don't worry. Once you see this unicorn URL, click the InvokeAI public URL to start using InvokeAI. Ladies and gentlemen, the latest InvokeAI version 5.2.0 web UI. Wow! They have added a lot of new features in it. By default, it won't have any model installed in it. So we need to install the models to start using the InvokeAI. For this, click the Models tab. Here we have 4 different ways to load the models. We can either paste the model URL or local path from Drive or Colab storage, or we can provide the Hugging Face repo ID. Let's try this. I will use the Epic Realism model. So for this, copy this repo name, paste it, and hit Install Repo. It will automatically install the model in the respective path. While it's installing, let's explore the third method to install the models. You can provide the path to your folder in the Google Drive or Colab storage and hit Scan Folder. It will scan the whole folder and list you all the models, where you can select the model to install. The fourth method is very cool. The developers of InvokeAI have already provided some model paths. We can simply click the plus sign to install them. You can also bulk install them if you have enough storage in your drive. For the sake of this tutorial, I will cancel the installation of these bulk models. Let's install the Cyber Realistic model. You can see logs to track the progress if you want. Great! Our Epic Realism model is installed. Let's try this model to create something. We can also load predefined prompt templates. I will use the Concept Art Fantasy prompt template. You see, it automatically added our prompt to the template prompt. Click Invoke. For the first time, it will take a few moments to set up things. Great! It started creating our picture. Well, that's not what I expected based on the prompt. Anyways, let's create another picture with different prompt template. Oops! I forgot to tell you about the unified canvas. You can access it from here by clicking this hamburger symbol. Let's try creating the picture using this cyber-realistic model. It will take a few moments to set up new model. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment, and I will try to resolve it for you. You can find the link to this Colab notebook in the video description. Open the Patreon page, and find the link to Colab notebook. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day. Bye.